Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jacob Letman here. Thanks for being with me. Hey, you're a new rideshare driver. You're just getting started and you're looking for some new tips on how to be the best driver that you can be. Look no farther. You are in the right spot. I'm going to give you exactly some of those tips from a veteran driver. Okay, so first thing, if you are about to sign up, you're trying to decide if you want to sign up, first things first, make sure that whatever you do, use a referral code to get a bonus when you sign up for either Uber or Lyft. If you need one to sign up and start driving, check the link in the video description below, and we'll have links for both Uber and Lyft so you can get a sign up bonus. Okay. The number one, first tip, new driver. You're just starting. Gas prices, as we all know, are extremely inflated right now, which is a ridiculous bummer. Ugh, what a pain in the butt. So, what can you do to circumvent that a little bit? Get the app Gas Buddy so that you can check and see where the best gas prices are in your whole area. You can pull up a map view. You can select what fuel type. Hopefully it's just regular and you're not paying for premium. Anyway, you can pull up a map view and you can scroll over wherever you're at, whatever city you're in, and you can map out the lowest priced gasoline in your area. Do that, it will save you money, and then when you're driving all over the place, you'll already know where you need to stop and fill up next. Number two, bonuses. This is huge. This is like getting free money from Uber or Lyft. If they have ride bonuses, be on the lookout for those, especially if you're just starting and you're trying to make a living at this. It's so important. It will help supplement your income and you'll spend less time driving and making more money, and it's a great way to like really boost your earnings to ease you into becoming a full-time driver. So look out for those bonuses. Like in the Phoenix area where I'm at, there have been a lot of give 3 rides and earn an extra amount of money after those 3 rides. Super imperative that you pick up on those. Number 3, learn your city. I cannot stress this enough. There's so much to learn, and you'll just pick it up via osmosis from driving around all over the place. But the more that you can pay attention and be conscious, why do you need to learn your city? Well, you're going to learn about the best areas as far as traffic is concerned, like foot traffic, people requesting rides, places with a high concentration of restaurants, things to do like malls or sporting events, things of that nature. You're going to find more surges in those areas when it's busy hours. Business people commuting to the airport, things of that nature. Also, another reason that's important, you're going to find what clientele that you're looking for, that the demographic that tips the best. You're going to find the demographic that you do not want to pick up and you do not want to drive, and the areas to stay out of entirely. Extremely important part of driving for Uber and Lyft. Also, bathrooms. Understated importance of knowing where public restrooms are when you're out driving. Listen, I'm a pretty healthy guy, so I drink a lot of water. I can't even tell you, shouldn't even admit this. I can't even tell you how many back alleys I have peed in, be driving, and I have like 5 minutes left to go, and I'm pep talking myself on, okay, you can make it, just drop them off, and then you can find somewhere to pee. I've done it way too many times. So know your area, know where the bathrooms are, know where your clientele is, know where your clientele is not. Very important. I stayed on that topic too long. Moving on. Number 4, as far as insurance goes. So we know that you're supposed to have rideshare insurance. We'll skip that. We'll get to that in another video, talk more about it. Roadside assistance and glass insurance. If you're going to be on the road a lot, right? Knock on wood, this doesn't happen, but it's pretty much inevitable that something is eventually going to happen. Maybe be it a flat tire. Let's just hope it's minimal as that. But if you break down for any reason, you want to have roadside assistance, because then you'll get your towing for free to the nearest shop. So that's going to save you a lot of money. You don't want to be spending money on expensive tows. And then also it helps with things like if you accidentally lock yourself out of your vehicle, which is harder to do with vehicle technology these days, but still possible. They'll come, they'll open it up for you. If your battery dies, had that happen several times, unfortunately, they'll come and give you a jump start. So it's really good to have roadside assistance for those reasons. And then also glass insurance. You're driving around a lot, freeways, interstates, high speeds, there's construction areas. Anyway, I don't know why, especially in Phoenix, if it seems like your glass is always shattering. So seriously, I've had my windshield replaced on different vehicles no less than a dozen times. I kid you not. So do it. It'll save you a bunch of money, and they'll either repair cracks for you so they don't spread, and if it does spread, then they'll replace your windshield for you. So do that. Okay, and then finally, seems basic, but sign up for both Uber and Lyft. Again, if you need a referral code, check the video description below for a couple of links. Especially while you're learning where you're at and just trying to get your footing with all of this. If you have both apps, you can switch back and forth, have them both up at the same time, and then when you get a ride request, you just go offline on the other app. So you're optimizing your chances of getting rides and minimizing your time of just sitting around. So there you go. There's 5 tips for you if you're a new driver. Get at me in the comment section below. Let me know what city you're driving in and how it's going for you so far. I'm Jacob Lettman. Thanks for being here on the channel with me. See you next time.